Welcome to the Tech Bond Molecular Bonding Systems 1-2 Fixed video on how to bond or repair silicone rubber. Silicone rubber is one of the most difficult polymers to bond. One key reason is that silicone rubber is flexible and often needs to stretch. Typically, glues and epoxies are not flexible. In this 1-2 Fixed video, we will bond, then stretch silicone rubber tubing, these two silicone rubber pieces to each other. And finally, we will bond silicone rubber to a polyplastic piece. We will make all of these bonds by using the poly bonding process. Our patent-pending process is the only solution for bonding or repairing polyplastics, copolymers, and polymers. To bond silicone rubber, you need the basic poly kit, which consists of a structural adhesive, usually our SI blue, our activator accelerator, and our poly prep, an adhesion promoter for polyplastics and other polymers. You'll also need a step-by-step set of instructions. We will start with the tubing. Before bonding, always make sure that the edges are clean. First, saturate both edges with the poly prep and let that dry. The poly prep dries the oils on the poly surface and etches that surface. Our poly prep is solvent-based, so it dries quickly. It is critical to then spray one end of the tubing with the activator accelerator. The activator accelerator intensifies the chemical reaction necessary to generate a bond. Let the activator accelerator dry completely. Next, we will heat both ends of the tubing with either a heat gun or a hairdryer. You want the tubing warm to the touch. Now we will apply a thin layer of our SI blue, our standard viscosity structural adhesive, to the opposite end from where we just applied our activator accelerator. You can use the nozzle as a paintbrush to make sure you get a nice even coat on. Align the two pieces and press firmly for 10 to 20 seconds. Use the hairdryer or heat gun again on the seam for 15 to 20 seconds. As you can see, the tubing stretches.